Hello and welcome back to the Programming in C++ Part 2 series. In this video we're going to go over Programming C++ Part 2, Programming Exercise 13-2. Before we dive in, I would like to apologize for the sound in the last few videos. I tried to adjust the settings to make them better, but apparently I cut it off, but hopefully the sound is back and it looks like it is for these following videos. So just remember, now if we don't solve the video and go on to the next one, as we come back to it, I'll put the solution in the description, or it'll be in the comments. So if you get stuck on the video, please make sure you check the comments and the description. All right. So once again, please subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as we go on to Program Exercise 13-2. So here we go. We're going to redo Program Exercise 1 by overloading the operators as non-members of the class rectangular type. The header and implementation file from Exercise 1 have been provided. Write a test program that tests various operations on the class rectangle type. So Task 1, overloaded operations. Task 2, overloaded operators and non-member functions. So we'll take these members out. So we're going to have to go to the header file. Hopefully the implementation file doesn't need to be changed, but the header file will, because we need to remove here. So all this stuff is in the public. What we're going to do is we're going to move this whole area from 13 to 18, which actually Control X. And let's go down to right before the constructor. Put on 33. Remember, it's going to be over here, so let's copy that. Let's put a space there. All right, so let's go here. We'll move this up as well. Let's see. And we have to adjust these. So the overload, iStream, or stream insertion and extraction operators, this is done already. We're going to have to use this, and we have to use this to overload the arithmetic. Well, let's copy and paste friend, and it's going to be friend rectangle type. Friend to that. Let's copy friend and the space and add it to the front of that. There we go. Alright, so now that we got that done, we need to change the way this looks. Constructor rectangle type. So we'll just put the ampersand here, here, there, and we'll add another one to it. Let's do that. So let's remove this constructor. All these. And what we're going to do is put a comma here. Space. Actually, space. But we'll copy this. Return this and put this on the line. Neat. And we'll do the same thing here. You put a comma. Actually, let's use our semicolon. That's a comma. Slide copy in. All I'm doing is copying this again and separating it with a comma and putting it on the next line for consistency. All right, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. All right, welcome back. So let's continue where we left off by spacing this back here. And let's go back and do our semicolon and our semicolon. So here we have constructor rectangle type, ampersand, and then a comma, and again for this operator, and for the subtraction operator, same thing twice. You find it. Next, Come on down here. We got to do the friend thing here as well. Overload, increment, decrement. Let's go with. We don't need both for this one, but we do need to add. Friend in space. Copy that and paste it. Over there. We'll do the friend part, then we'll do the back end. Alright. Added the friend. Type. Now for these, we're going to do rectangular type. We only need one. And it doesn't need to be a constructor. Go ahead and copy this one. Here we go. If you want. Here, because it's already there, called integer. Comma, space. Then bring this closer. Here. Here, once again, V, comma, space. So that should all clear up. Use. So for this one, the same thing. We're going to add friend and do the same thing that we did up here. Add constructor. But let's do the first part first. Copy, bring it over. Copy, copy, and copy. Let's pull this, push this down some. Let's go ahead and just go in. Yeah, it was exactly the same. Move these constructors first. Semicolons there. These. We'll copy this part. And here at the end, we'll go to our comma. Enter. Paste here. Just repeat this for each line. Again, comma. Enter. Paste. Over. It's over. Space, comma, paste, over. Enter. More to do. Right. So now, let's see. public mention here. That looks good. I'll show you this code so you can get it if you didn't get it the first time. Here's it from top to bottom. You need to pause it. Go ahead and do so. On the overload the arithmetic operators. Got your same thing with a comma separating them. And make sure you're, and if you haven't seen any, right? If not, right? Alright, so that's the code for the header file. Close that, and let's go ahead to our main. The implementation is good to go. File stream, then we're going to add our header file name. Include and rectangle type quotation. H is all this is in lines. This out here. So we're going to do rectangle type. Base rectangle 1. Make this 10 space 5 semicolon. Let's go ahead and copy this, paste it. 2, 3, 4. Say the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 2 is going to be 8 and 7. Then for 3 and 4, so end, and copy the rectangle type just to have it handy. And again, cout rectangle 1. Base, and we use the variable rectangle 1. And my. Then cout rectangle 2. Let's do these. Let's do this later. Type 2. The variable rectangle 2. Very similar. And when we do this, copy and paste to 3. Rectangle 1 plus rectangle 4. Now, so we can do this, copy these 2 lines, paste them. Now this is going to change to 3 and 1, and just to rectangle 4 is rectangle 1 times rectangle 2. Oops. This 3. here, this rectangle 2 will be rectangle 3. Gotta do rectangle 4. Rectangle 4. Alright, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, let's go down and make an if statement after this. Say if rectangle 1 rectangle 1 is greater than rectangle 2, and see out area of rectangle 1 is greater than the area of rectangle 2. Greater than area. Let's go line. Rectangle 2. Great. Line. And we'll reuse this thing. This time area of rectangle 1 is less than or equal to area of rectangle. Alright. That, let's break it down. Let's increment it. Rectangle 1. Yeah, but I copy and paste. Let's go here. Let's just say rectangle. Plus colon. See out. After increment the limit with after in that space variables 1 variable. All right, now go forward. Increment rectangle. layouts. The dimension of rectangle to new dimension of 3, and this variable will be 3. Line. Let's copy this again and use it again for rectangle 4. 4. Okay. 0 and good. Let's show you the code. This good. Make sure you rewrite it, pause it, the working spot, and rewind it. Alright, so that is the main code. So take a quick look at the implementation code, just in case all this is turned hectic on me. Let's see why. Check out our bad list. Sure. Right. That's 15 type 1. Okay. Let's fix this. Type. Don't need these. And okay, so it's operator plus plus. Make this rectangle type. Gave us this, but we still had to fix it. Ampersand and rectangle. And clear. Next, increment the length. We'll do so we're gonna have to do this. Parentheses. Right, rectangle dot length. Parentheses. Side there plus plus. So and that one cleared, and then here turn rectangle. And operator negative or fraction still plus plus u angle that's base operator. You got your rectangular type angle side that comma and space. U here. Angular type temp. Now we just move this and angle. Next down here Same thing. Left plus copy this with it. Back right hit plus, and then we're going to return a million more to go. Go to the next one. It's minus again. Let's go type in this one. Right. Now search. Oh, we rectangle. Not and rectangle that width. Okay. Go rectangle. Copy in here. It's minus. Rectangle. Right. Same. Do a rectangle. Copy paste rectangle. You again. Yep. Versus. Now. Rectangle tip equal rectangle type. Yeah. This out. It's with rectangle. Alright, so get this one done. Let's take a quick break and then we'll resume for this. Alright, so welcome back. Let's continue like we did before. We'll do rectangle dot length and rectangle dot width. We'll do parentheses, rectangle dot parentheses minus, same here, rectangle dot, close out parentheses, minus. And here we'll still return temp, return to the object. So one slid through the cracks. Let's continue on here. That's away and bring this up. Hanger operator plus use I'm going to do it like we did it. Constructor anymore, but we do need to add your constructor retainer type asterisk first row. Comma down. There you go. Right. Now let this Do the same thing in the second. This changes first to second. Make sure you got your comma here. You don't need any here because it's function brackets. Take a type temp rect. Temp rect dot length equals first rect dot length second first rect length second dot length. RECT dot rect dot length second rect. Here first rect with temp first rect dot width and second rect. There and get rect. We'll do the exact same thing here. Space here, it's up here. And a second vector right. Same thing. Change that rectangle to first rect. Second rect. Copy this whole. Erase. There. Right, so that's what it looks like. This time, first rect dot length. Equal to second rect. Second rect width. Right, so works good. Here, temp rect dot length equals first rect dot. Rect dot length. First rect dot length. Second rect. And temp rect dot width equals first rect dot width minus second. And of course we'll return temp rect. Next, let's go here again. Save ourselves some time. Space it twice. Brackets. Back. Oops. Split. Like we're almost done. Very much space. Consistent. All right. So there we go. All right. So we got rectangular type operator multiplication. Rectangular type dot temp rect. Temp rect length equals first rect dot length times second rect dot. We'll do first rect width, second width. We're getting done, but got down work. All right, that's cool. Go on to the next ones. Is equal to or equals. In there at all. Same thing. First, make sure right. Consistent. The rest. So it'll be first rect. Ampersands. Time, let's copy this. Oh. Here, base, space here, base it. All right, let's get this. So on the equals return, go to first rect dot area. Second dot area. Here. Out. First rect dot area. And second rect. First, we copy that. Spacing here, just to this, paste, we already copied. This time it's gonna. Alright, first rect, dot area, second. Right, got moves, so let's take a quick break and we'll be right back after this. Alright, welcome back. Go down. Working. Like line 49. Let's do again. Here. Name. That. Over. Turn first. Rect. Area is less than second. Area. Go. Next one. This one. It's rectangle type. And again, first rect. Area. This rectangle type again. Space this. Space. First rect. Area. Second rect. Area. Stream operator problem that angle dot width turn I stream. Oh, let's see. All right. Show, I think we started at 51, 52. Show 52 on down, so pause if you need it. Roll slow, hang in there. Pause and rewind as needed. Let's clear it up. Right, go. Yep. And let's close that out. And let's try to run this. Check the other files. I think we're good. Doesn't run, we'll come. See that. And we got the same 1, 10, 8, 8, 80. 2. Go ahead and calculate that. Read. Got. Overloaded operators and overloaded operators and non-member functions. And we're still going to calculate. So while we do that, like I said before, if there's any issues, no issues for this one. We got task 1 and task 2. We got our 100%. So we're good to go. Thank you for joining. Like I said, please go ahead and smash the like button. Leave a quick comment, even if it's nothing but a hashtag C++ or anything like that. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, it helps the channel. Also helps you navigate through YouTube to find other videos, or it will be you'll be notified when other new videos are posted. So take care, have a wonderful day, and thanks again for joining. See you on the next one.